Good morning, student. I, Kailash Sonal from Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Shankar Vidyapit, Mount Abu. Welcome you in my maths class. Student, today we are continuing our topic, that is the linear inequalities. But linear inequalities with the graphical solution. Okay, that will be graphical solution. And here are related to some questions. So in this class we solve this question. Okay. So regarding to this, what is our first question? That is, our first question is y is less than equal to minus 3. Okay. This is an inequality. Y is less than equal to minus 3. This is the inequalities. But if we convert this inequalities into equation, then what is the equation? It gives y equal to minus 3. Okay, this equation is being y equal to minus 3. So if we plot a graph, okay, that will be plus x and it will be minus x. That is the y and that is the minus 3. Okay, and this is the origin point 0. Okay. Y equal to minus 3. But what is the y equal to minus 3? It means it is a parallel lines along the x-axis and passes through the minus 3 comma 0. Suppose its minus 3 comma 0 is point is here, 0 comma minus 3. Okay, that is the 0 comma minus 3, because the point is lie on the y-axis, so it's being 0 comma minus 3. And now this point is being, so what is the y equals to minus 3? It is a parallel line of the x-axis. It is a parallel lines of the x-axis. Okay. Now if we apply 0 comma 0, that is here. If we apply 0 comma 0, okay. Now 0 is less than minus 3. 0 is less than minus 3. It is true or false? It is totally false. Okay, 0 is less than minus 3. That is the totally false. If statement is totally false, then what will we say? It is saying that the origin 0 comma 0 is not included in this region. Okay, that is the origin. Origin is not included in this region. Clearly, it means origin is not included in this region. That is the totally false. If origin is not included in the region, then what is the solution? Solution is that the solution is being away from the origin. Okay, that is the away from the origin. And what is the away from origin? That is away from origin. It means the solution is given in this, in that direction. Okay. So what is the solution? That solution is this type of solution. Okay. So what is the solution of y less than minus 3? Y less than minus 3, that is the away from the origin but negatively y direction. Clearly, so it is the solution of y equals to y less than equal to minus 3. Okay. Now what is our second question? Our second question is being that 2x minus y is greater than equal to 1. Okay. What is the second question? That is that 2x minus y is greater than equal to 1. If we convert it to equation, then equation is 2x minus y equal to 1. 2x minus y equal to 1. If we convert it into, that is the intercept form, then it is the x upon 1 by 2 minus y upon 1 equal to. It means what is the x-intercept? That is half. What is the y-intercept? That is the minus 1. Okay, that is a minus 1 and equal to. plus and there will be minus. Okay, that is the x-intercept is half, y-intercept is -1 equal to. So now if we plot the graph, x minus x, y minus 1, this one will be off. The x-intercept is half, that is the half comma 0. Point is given to half comma 0. Suppose this point is half comma 0 and that will be -1. That suppose this point is 0 comma -1. So here are 2 points are given. First of all half comma 0 and second one is 0 comma -1. So clearly we can draw our line. That is our line. This line is 2x minus y equal to 1. Okay, 2x minus y equal to 1. Again, what is the reason? The reason is if we apply 0 comma 0, if we apply 0 comma 0, okay, now 0 minus 0 is greater than equal to 1. 0 is greater than equal to 1. It is true or false? 0 is never be greater equal to 1. So it is also false. It is also false. It means origin is not included in this region. Okay, origin is not included in this region. So what will we say? We totally say that the region is always away from origin. Okay, the reason is always away from the origin. It means that is origin away, that means that's it. So what is the reason? Its reason is also in that color. Okay, in this. So this one is the solution reason. This one, this part of the graph is the solution reason of the given line. Clearly, I hope you understood what is the reason. Okay. Now, student, in this series, our last questions. Okay. Now, student, what is our third question? That is 3x plus 4y less than equal to 12. 4x plus 3y is also less than equal to 12. So what is the linear equation? Fourth of the linear equation. The linear equation is 3x by 12, 4y by 12 equal to 1. That is again 4x by 12, 3y by 12 is also equal to 1. It means that is the x by 4, y by 3, y x by 3, y by 4 equal to 1. And here now two solutions, x is greater than equal. It means x is equal to 0 and y equal to 0. If we draw all the graph, that's the linear equation. This part is y equal to 0 and this part is x equal to 0. Okay, now both the axes are plotted. It's x equal to 4. It means that part is 4 comma 0. But y part is 3. It means it is the 0 comma 3. Okay, now our equation is that. Okay, our line is that. Now in this part, this one is 3 comma 0 and now 0 comma 4. Again, if we plot the graph. Okay, so it is the intersecting point. Okay, now what is the solution? It is solution is being that again we put 0 comma 0 at here. In 3x, 3 into 0 plus 4 into 0 is less than equal to 12. It means 0 is less than equal to 12. It means 0 is less than 12, that is the truth. Okay, this is the truth. Now in this 3 into 0 is less than 12 and 0 is less than 12, it is also true. If both statements are true, if both statements true, then the solution region is in the direction of the origin. In the direction of origin. In the direction of origin. It means if this region is going to in the direction, okay, now this line is also going to in the direction, but x is greater than 0. X is greater than 0. It means x is greater than 0, that part. Okay, now y is also greater than 0. Y is also greater than 0, that part. Okay, so what is our solution? Our solution is being to that. Okay, so what is our solution part? Our solution part is O, that is A part, that is B part, O, A, B, and that's in C part. Okay, our solution region is O, A, B, and C part. Okay, now it is a quadrilateral part. Okay, I hope you understood this type of problem and graph. Okay, thank you.